Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic: how our talents can shape the world and the responsibilities that come with them. It's about understanding how to use our skills for good, not just for personal gain. How do you see the connection between talent and responsibility?
I think it's huge. You can have all the talent in the world, but without the right sense of responsibility, you're really just taking from the world rather than giving back. I mean, people like athletes or artists, they gain fame, but there's more to it than just being good at something, right?
Absolutely. Fame can be fleeting, but what you do with it lasts. I think about someone like Yuna. She's globally famous, but if she doesn't use her fame to make a positive impact, what's the point?
Exactly. Take Kim Yuna. She could just retire and live her life, but if she wanted to keep her legacy alive, she'd have to do something meaningful, maybe something that helps others. Talent, when used right, gives you a platform to change lives.
I see it like this. When you help others using your talents, it's like you're creating a ripple effect. One act of kindness or one effort to teach someone can change an entire community. But it has to be genuine, right?
For sure. Like you said, it's not just about giving a little and walking away. If you truly want to help someone, you have to give them more than just the bare minimum. For example, if you're donating, whether it's time or money, make sure it's going to something that will have a lasting impact.
And there's this interesting thought about talent donation. For instance, if Yuna went to a community and offered skating lessons, it's more than just handing out money. She's sharing her talent, helping others grow, and maybe even inspiring the next generation of skaters. That's a true gift.
Exactly. And that's the beauty of talent. It's not just about the skill itself, but about how you can pass it on. It's like a never-ending chain. But there's also the issue of being careful about who you help, right? Not everyone has the same opportunities. So when you give, it should be to those who can truly benefit from it.
Right. You can't just give blindly. The right people need to be able to use the opportunity, and that's where responsibility comes in. We have a duty to ensure that what we give, whether it's our time, money, or talent, is directed where it's truly needed.
And that's where the difference is made. Someone like Kim Yuna, who's already an icon, could create something big, like a foundation or a program that teaches kids the importance of hard work and perseverance, using skating as a metaphor for life.
Exactly. That's what I think could make a huge difference. The impact of someone like Yuna could go beyond sports. It could transform people's lives in ways that are still tangible, even years later. But like you said, there has to be careful planning and intention behind it.
And it's not just her. This concept can apply to anyone with a unique skill or platform. Whether it's an artist, a musician, or even someone in a business role, when they use their influence for good, they set an example for everyone. It's about making the world better.
True. We all have our own talents, but it's not about keeping them to ourselves. It's about sharing them in ways that matter. We can help elevate others, raise awareness, and even change how society functions.
And when that happens, it's not just about individual success. It becomes collective. The whole country can benefit. Just like when one person rises to the top, that one person, through their actions, can lift everyone else with them.
So it's really about taking responsibility for the platform you've built. Whether you're a global icon or just someone with a talent to share, how you choose to use that influence is what truly defines your legacy.
Absolutely. And we see that ripple effect happening all over the world. We can't just wait for others to take action. If you have something to offer, don't hold back. Share it and encourage others to do the same.
So it's not just about having talent. It's about understanding the power of that talent and using it to create meaningful change. That's where the real impact lies.
Exactly. And the more people who understand that, the more we can shift society. It's all about spreading that positivity and energy.
Well said. If everyone thought like this, imagine how different the world could be. It's in our hands, really.
It sure is. Let's hope more people start using their talents to build a better world.